Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Duratna Arianti from class A in the morning. Here I will discuss the implementation 3 body of knowledge in the Dialog Gua Coffee production business. Here I implement 3 body of knowledge, namely body of knowledge 1, engineering management, body of knowledge 4, facilities engineering and management, body of knowledge 7, supply chain management. Okay, let's discuss from body of knowledge 1, body of knowledge engineering management. History, description, and address of coffee production. The ground coffee production business, which has the name Dialog Gua, is located on Street Dr. Wahidin Sudirohusodo, number 109, which is led directly by the owner of the Rahmawati Floating Restaurant, namely Mr. Insinyur Kartono Ahmad Abdul Aziz, and Mrs. Rahmawati, who have the desire to create coffee that is unique in every aspect of its enjoyment. By taking the coffee beans in the cuisine place and without mixing the other ingredients, Dialog Gua ground coffee is not a monotonous coffee, but has many different flavors and maternity depending on the marketing target. So we can see documentation, finished product, shares with semi-finished product by Dialog Gua Coffee. At the production site, there is an organizational structure, namely the operational director section, Mr. Agus Wahyu Raharjo, in the production section, namely Mr. Rashid, finance, Mr. Slamet, and purchase, Mr. Huda. And in the marketing, there are Mr. Nanang, Mr. Rohim, Mr. Munir, and Mr. Khairan. Evaluation of coffee production in Dialog Gua is based on strength, weakness, opportunities, and threat. Example of strengths are selecting the correct coffee beans. There is no mixture in the coffee beans. So, example for weakness are shrinkage or coffee beans, lack of expansion and distribution, limit seed factor, and price increases. So in opportunity has example, namely strategies location. Example from trade, the number of competitor of rival, price competitor, and marketing target. So let's discuss body of knowledge for facilities engineering and management. Production layout of the object of observation, which is a product layout. The following is a picture of the facility layout starting with the process of roasting coffee beans using a roasting tool called a heater roaster, which is in the form of an iron or metal plate. After the roasting or roasting process is carried out in, it can be continued with the processing of cooling the coffee of the plate needs, which to keep the coffee at cold temperature, so that during the grinding process it does not contain a lot of carbon, which is dangerous for human health. After it's cooled, it is put into a drum for the grinding process at the next day. Then after the grinding process continues with the packaging process, or what can be called packing, that we can the coffee it into the plastic or paper packaging and then continue on a sealer machine until it becomes a product ready to be marketed. Product packing is still done manually, so it still requires a long process. From the calculation for brains development regarding dialog gua production, namely in the Menganti area, we can see from the result the percentage of determining factor. The energy used in the coffee production is electric. On the package, there are types of equipment, total equipment and total watts used. Can we see that the one that used the most electric energy is the roaster because it's used a long process and the equipment has a large shape. So let's discuss body of knowledge 7, supply chain management. In the configuration process, they have suppliers of the main raw materials, namely coffee beans, and second raw materials, namely fruit soaps, and plastic soaps for packaging. So also have coffee bean distribution large, again retailers and final customers, couriers, namely grocery store or coffee shop. The production process also has risks, starting from business risks at the planning stage, namely the absence of an effective marketing strategy. The cause is a lack of marketing planning business risks from supplier. For example, delay in delivery. The cause is bad weather, logistic problem. It could also be due to disruption on the route. There is a risk at the manufacturing stage, namely the packaging, the roasting process take a long time, which is due to the difficulty of the process and still using manual methods in the packaging process. Business risks in the delivery process, the condition of the product being damaged as a result of the delivery process, which has caused by the large number of products sent and the built on location of the product. It could also be due to transportation, business risks in the process returning goods from customer, the customer satisfaction rating decreases due to condition and quality that are not good according to customer. So Dialog coffee production also has environmental risk based on three factors: upstream environmental risk, death of plants due to pests, and increase in extreme temperature and dry season or erratic weather, environmental pollution. The cause of the risks are climate change, improper waste disposal, like rivets, attack coffee plants. So, environmental risk in manufacturing, um, air pollution, production waste, production accident. The cause of these risks are the cause of these risks of air pollution in the coffee production process environmental is during roasting, ensure product result when the packing stage fail, lack of employee supervision and awareness regarding opportunity, healthy and safety. So last, downstream environmental risk, lack of investment in environmentally friendly technologies, damage packaging, make it easier to buy coffee powder. The causes of the risks are use of plastic packaging, natural disaster or flood, and strategies sales location. That's all my presentation. If there are any wrong words or action, I apologize. Thank you for your attention and see you later.